You have to have a production team. You have to have video editors and that kind of thing. But here's the challenge. You need somebody that's going to sit at the top and coordinate all those things, the logistics of it. And so that's what Digital Samurai does. We act as the orchestra leader for your business, and we talk to the message guy and the production guy, and we manage all that so you have a single point of contact. When you're looking at services that you want to use, if you don't know the questions to ask, and if you don't know the answers to all those 10 things we just talked about, then you need to find somebody that does or learn it yourself. Or you could hire Digital Samurai. But that's exactly what we do. We integrate all of those things. And we do it by looking at these three core areas: technology, intelligence, and production. We start by fixing the technology chaos stuff that we talked about before, which makes your interactions with your team and us frictionless. So then you're talking about what the graphic should look like, not how to find the graphic. Right? I'm sure you guys have all had those issues when you're doing outsourcing. In fact, it's said that 50% of people that do outsourcing on the platforms that are out there, they have a negative first experience because there's so much back and forth and they don't really get what they want. And that is often the case.